Hi everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so in today's video we are going to be talking about dark armpits. Okay, if you're having dark armpits, now I'm going to be telling you that these things are caused by you not always like taking care of it, putting your eye in there, and then you get build up of dead skin cells. And when there are excessive build up of dead skin cells on your underarms, it becomes dark, it begins to get dark, and before you know it, you're gonna be shy, raising your hands. So I'm going to be giving you your confidence back, just like I am getting my confidence back, yeah, with these homemade remedies. So let's get right into this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And now let us go. Dark armpits, you're gonna be needing to use rice. Now you can actually use your raw rice, boil it, and then you make a paste with it, or you can use this blended rice. Get your rice in the house, white rice, okay, and then you blend it with a very strong blender, and you get a rice powder just like I have right now, okay, which is this one that I'm holding. And then you would have to get a bowl. This is how we're going to be preparing this, guys. So we're going to be needing about 2 tablespoons of this. Yeah, since I have a teaspoon, I'm going to be putting 3 of that, okay. Now you can just pour it in, or you just put just a little. It depends on what you want, or how much you want your ingredients to be, okay. If you do not want too much, you don't have to use too much. Okay, so the next ingredient we're going to be making use of bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Now baking soda is a great lightening and exfoliating property that helps lighten up the skin, and it also contains a scrubbing remedy that helps to scrub out dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. So it's actually going to be really helpful for dark underhands, yeah. So what I'm going to do now is that I am going to be putting in just 1 teaspoon of this, and there we go, yeah. So I'll have to be mixing this all up. We're going to be making use of lemon. Now this is our local lemon, okay. Our local lemon is actually green, yeah, so you don't come and say it's lime. It's not lime, it's lemon. This is lemon. I'm actually repeating it again because lemon contains vitamin C and a citric acid, so it's actually going to be very helpful in lightening up the dark underhands and leaving the armpit area really fresh and lighter. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be cutting in this lemon, and I'm going to be squeezing it into the bowl. And then we would have to stir it, okay. And this is how it's going to be like. So you don't have to put everything because there are other ingredients coming. So then we're going to be making use of rose water and glycerin. Now you can get a rose water that contains glycerin inside because it is great in toning, and it is also great in moisturizing. Now rose water would help to calm the redness on the skin, that's if you're using it on your face, and it will also remove the dark patches on the body, which is the area in which we are targeting right now, which is the under armpit area, and it will also help to leave the skin looking really fresh. So we're going to be that is 1 tablespoon, which is about 2 teaspoons that I put in there, and the consistency is still really okay, perfect. You mix it all up really good, just like this. And the next ingredient is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a great natural remedy that works in lightening of the skin, and you have to use the one that is organic and contains the mother in it. It's actually going to do the job really well. So what you're going to do is that you're going to be shaking it, and then you put in 1 teaspoon, and there you go. You get that foamy results, yeah. And then you mix it all up really good. And this consistency is perfect, guys. Now you use this to lighten up your dark elbow and dark underhands and dark patches on your skin, basically. So follow me, let me go to the bathroom to use it and lighten up my dark armpit area. Yeah, okay guys, so to lighten up your dark underhands, okay, the thing is that my underhands has over time become dark, and this is how it is right now, and this is the treatment that we did, and it was darker than this. If you can remember, I'm going to be showing you a picture of that. Yeah, it was darker than this, and now I've actually been scrubbing it so that it get lighter and lighter. Okay, so for the treatment, you would have to be putting it into the fridge to make it cool. Yeah, because it's actually a natural remedy. The reason why you have to put it inside the fridge is because you would, it's actually natural. There's no chemical at all, so you don't need it to get bad. Yeah, so, and when it gets cool, it's gonna be more effective on your skin. Yeah, so I'm gonna be keeping it, and I'm gonna be taking it and applying it and then scrubbing it, basically. Yeah, so the thing is that it's not just this darkness is not going to like disappear like poof like that. It's going to fade up. Yeah, so the thing is that you make the ingredients and then you keep it. Yeah, you'll be using it, so it's going to get fade up and fade up and fade up and fade up, and before you know it, all of the darkness there is gone. So I'm going to be applying it at my right hand side. Literally, you apply it on your 2 sides. This side is actually getting lighter than this other side, so I apply it there, and then I'll scrub. So when you scrub, you would have to hold on and scrub up again. Now the thing is that you don't have to scrub you don't have to scrub too much, like too hard. Okay, so you don't bruise your skin, because the darkness is not just going to disappear, it's going to fade off. Yeah, so you would have to scrub it and then give it a little time, scrub it again. So basically you can repeat this treatment like literally 3 times in a week for you to get that utmost result, and a very tone on the hands. It's really awkward when you visit someone, especially your boyfriend, and you lift your hand up and everywhere is so dark. Look at that, look at how dark it is. So I'm going to be applying this for some time, and it's going to get lighter and lighter and lighter. That's actually really get lighter compared to when I was pregnant. So you do this 3 times in a week for a period of time, and all of the darkness is going to be gone. Yeah, so let me wash this out and show you the very little impact that it does, because every day you apply it, it does a little impact. Before you know it, your hands has actually become really toned and faded. Yeah, so I'll be back. Alright, so this is how it looks like right now. You can see the dots you're seeing now is actually the hair on my skin, and that's actually, done a little job. You can see that. Okay, so when you apply it and apply it again, you're going to see a whole lot of improvement. Yeah, so this is how it is compared to before. So every day you scrub, you see a little improvement. Every day you scrub, you see a little improvement. Yeah, apply it and apply it again, just like I've earlier told you. I too basically experienced it when I was pregnant for my daughter, and it has actually been fading, and now you can see my underhands fading away, and I've actually been using it, and then it's been going. So one thing about natural remedy is consistency, and the love for applying these natural ones is basically good, because it's not going to give you any side effects or burn your skin whatsoever. So that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I will see you again. Bye guys. Mwah.